Hello dear photographers. I'm Nizamuddin Elverdi. I'm here with another Iris mockup. Today's Iris mockup is called the Kinetic Halo Effect. I will explain how to use this Kinetic Halo Effect Iris mockup. You can download this mockup from the download links in the description of my video and apply it to your own Iris photos. Let's get started. Our Kinetic Halo Iris mockup is single like this, but we can also use it in pairs like this if we want. And again, we can use it in triples or even quadruples. First, after creating your Iris photos and converting them to PNG format, let me explain how to add your Iris photo to this mockup. Then, we will explain how to create a double, a triple, and how to use this mockup in that way. Let's start step by step. First, we go to our top layer from here. We double-click on this layer, and our Iris appears as a separate layer. From here, we select Embed Place from the File menu and take a different Iris in PNG format, which we previously edited and made transparent. Yes, this Iris has also appeared on top of our layer, and let's delete the layer below. Then, we save it from the File menu again. Our brown Iris has been saved to our model. Look at the before and after, before and after. We can use this design individually like this. But if we want, after closing the eye of this bottom background layer, we can save it in PNG format. From the File menu and use it in multiple shapes. Let's make a selection. We can use the kinetic effect freely in this way. Now, if you want, let's double-click on this top layer again and take an Iris of a different color this time. Look, this Iris has also appeared on top of this one. Of course, we pay attention to the Iris sizes. We make sure that the bottom Iris and the top Iris are the same. And again, we delete the layer below. I want to mention this again here. When cutting out our irises, we can adjust the surrounding cutout values through trial and error, depending on the effect we're using. I kept the edge cutout values of this iris at 40 to 50. You can also do the same with your irises through trial and error. I'm continuing with the edge cutout values. I'm saving again. Our green iris is also saved to our model. Let's see. Yes, look. Before and after, before and after. Again, as I mentioned at the beginning, We can either save this iris as a JPEG or open the eye of the background below and save it in PNG format. For now, I'll save it in PNG format. Later, to create a double or triple design. Yes. Let's call this one too. Now we double-click on our top layer again, and this time let's take our third iris. Our third iris in PNG format, which we previously made transparent and cut out. Yes. Now we pay attention to its hand and neck. And again, we delete our bottom layer. I'm saving again from here. Our blue iris is also saved onto our model. Let's see. Yes, let's do another before and after. This time, we're closing the eye of the bottom layer. We save our file from the File menu. How do we save it? In PNG format. Let's call this number 3. This is how we use our kinetic effect individually. And if we want to create designs in pairs or triples, we can now take the kinetic effect we saved. Here and create designs with different numbers. Look. And let's take the other one now. Yes. Now I'm selecting these 3 together. Let's move them down a bit. Now I'm saying Command T for this layer. And sliding it to the right. And again, I'm saying Command T for our other layer. For those using Windows, it's Control T, and I'm moving this up again. Look, we've created a triple design like this. We've converted our kinetic effect from single to triple. For example, if we want to make it a pair, we can do it like this. Again, let's select both and say Control T. We can also say Command T. When we convert it like this. Look. created a double kinetic effect. Again, if we want, we can delete them. Let's delete them. Let's take the 300 dp values. From here, let's make this 90. Let's make this 40 centimeters. Yes. After preparing a background like this, we had previously saved our irises, which we created from our kinetic effects in PNG format. Now let's arrange them again in this workspace. Look. We are now creating a triple design in a different style with the kinetic effects that we prepared and saved in PNG and transparent formats before. Now we have selected all three. Let's put them aside like this. Now, in order, like this. Yes. Let's use Ctrl-T again. Yes. Let's bring this closer. And let's select all three again. In this way, we have created a triple design in a horizontal rectangle shape. As I come to the end of my video, as I mentioned at the beginning of my video, you can download this template as a PSD mockup from the links I added to the description of my video and apply it to your own iris photos. Also, if you want to receive technical support services regarding iris photography, we also provide consulting services. You can contact me. I would be very happy if you subscribe to my channel and follow me. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.